Hey there, and welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Clark with Restoration Advisors. We are a firm specifically designed for advisory and mentoring and coaching of restoration contractors. Everything from building your business, managing your business, leadership development, cultural adaptations, strategic growth. Our 20 plus years experience in building and managing small, medium, and large companies has placed us in a place where we can really provide what I feel is a lot of values. We have several clients that are in different stages of their business. We would like to help you. Our YouTube channel is going to be full of great content, free to you as our gift. We're going to have things, a podcast will be here. This is a place to consume our podcast for free. So on our channel, you're going to see lots of different types of videos, and we're going to have them categorized. We're going to have podcasts. We're going to have short videos that are specific about a task. Some of them are just mindset. Some of them are conversations or interviews with others. We're just going to really have it mixed up, and I think you will find a lot of good things here. If there's something that you don't see here, reach out to us at restorationadvisors.com. Grab onto our newsletter or our blog. Actually, it's not a newsletter. We actually do a weekly blog. Industry-specific information in our blog, weekly, delivered to your email box. We don't spam you. Just unsubscribe when you want to. Anyway, welcome. Those of you who love YouTube, enjoy.